In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Outlook email. If you've ever been concerned about spelling weak spots or grammar issues in your emails, integrating Grammarly with Outlook is a game changer. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can enhance your email communications quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start off by opening Outlook. This is our starting point, and most of us already have it bookmarked or set as a favorite. To access Outlook, simply go over to your browser and type in outlooklive.com. This will direct you right to your inbox. It's crucial to ensure that you're logged in because it makes the whole process smoother as we move through the next steps. Now that you're inside Outlook, look toward clicking on the New Mail button. You'll typically find this button on the top left-hand side of your screen. Clicking it will open a new email window for you. Setting up a blank email like this is vital, because for Grammarly to perform its magic, it needs some text to analyze. This blank email space serves as your canvas, allowing you to see how Grammarly functions firsthand. With the email window open, now focus on your browser's extensions. If you're using Chrome, these can be found right next to the address bar at the top right of your screen. A small puzzle piece icon marks the spot for accessing your list of installed extensions. From this drop-down menu, ensure that Grammarly is set up and open. If you haven't yet installed Grammarly as a browser extension, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store, or the equivalent marketplace for your browser, to do so. This will give you access to all the helpful features Grammarly offers. Activating Grammarly is as simple as clicking on the Grammarly icon. This step ensures that the extension is prepared to provide suggestions for your writing. In the Compose window, you'll find the Grammarly icon typically located at the bottom. A quick click here, and you'll see the Grammarly interface pop up as a sidebar, offering real-time suggestions on any text you write. Start drafting your email, whether it's a short note or a detailed message, and let Grammarly work its review magic. It will offer suggestions for grammar corrections, style improvements, and even tone adjustments to help align with your intended message. If time is a concern, you can use Grammarly's AI feature to generate your email. This can be particularly handy for business communications, ensuring you maintain the right tone efficiently. Experiment with this feature by exploring the options on the Grammarly sidebar. Once you have the suggestions and any generated text ready, go ahead and click Insert. Grammarly will seamlessly blend these improvements or the generated content into your draft, leaving everything smooth and polished. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to add Grammarly to Outlook, ensuring your email communications are accurate and impactful.